So, today I'm talking about the alarm incident at my school. So, it all started about, I don't know, it was in art class. The alarm rung. We didn't think of anything of it. But then, the next week, it happened at the exact same time. So we're all thinking, like, hey, didn't this happen last time in art class? So we all just kind of ignored it. But then it came to music class. It happened again. We were beginning to see a pattern in what was happening. So we went out there, once again, fire alarm drill. It was beginning to get a little bit boring. I was getting tired of it, and so were all my classmates. So we went back into music class, and there was barely any more time for music class. So we went in, and the worst thing happened. Yes, it rung once again. It was very annoying. So we went out one more time, and then one of my friends reminded me this was going to cut 11 minutes into lunchtime, because every drill takes about 20 minutes. And so we had just lost 11 minutes of our lunchtime. So we were angry, like really, really angry. So were the teachers. They were beginning to get a little bit angry. Then we went into our next class, expecting for the fire alarm to go, and then the head teacher came in. Well, not literally, but the big microphone thingy, that turned on, and it said, hey, there will be no more fire alarms today, because we stopped them. And then he explained how they have been excluded from the school. So that was very scary. I don't want to get excluded from my school. And he said no more fire alarms would be wrong. But he was wrong. So, right after that, about 15 minutes after that, a teacher came in to make sure none of us had pulled the fire alarm. And as she was checking through us, or whatever she was doing, the fire alarm rung once again. I was beginning to get tired, so was everyone, all moaning at it. And no, not in the weird way. So, we went out one more time. After that, I went back to my classroom, realised, oh, it's next period. So, went to my next classroom. It was English. Thankfully, at the end of the day, English, it was relaxed. And there was no more fire alarms. But I think that was the most craziest day in my school. Also, please subscribe for more stories. Thank you very much for watching.